Hey, how you doing? Just let you guys know, we are replacing this floor right here in this complex. It's coming from the elevator, this little entrance right here. This is what we're doing, so you guys know what is it. And we'll keep you posted on once we finish the job. We'll just let you guys know the results of it. All right. You guys need help with some of your projects, you can always shoot us an email. You can hit us on our social media accounts at AZH Builders, or you can go to our website, which is azhbuilders.com. All right. Thank you guys. Hope you guys can remember us. This is part of the complex right here in downtown San Diego. All right. Thank you guys. Bye now.